Today we're making a pasta salad with tuna and eggs, which everyone loves. I love eggs and I love tuna. Lots of proteins, really good. I already cooked my pasta and I cooked my eggs, so we can make it really quick. I diced my apples, I put it in, a little bit of sweetness. Here are my eggs, hard boiled, and my tomatoes. Then we add the capers, the olives, the tuna, and a little bit of my homemade yogurt dressing. You can buy this in the store or you can make it yourself. If you want to know how to make it, have a look on my other videos. That's it. Mix it really quick. This pasta salad is easy for a picnic, really nice. You can give the leftovers on a lunchbox with your kids to school. Put it on a plate. That's it. Quick and easy tuna pasta salad. Enjoy. If you like this video and you want to see more quick and easy recipes, follow my page and leave a like. Thank you for watching.